A clean and organized home cannot be achieved in one day. It's an incessant process, habit, and dedication towards how you want to keep your home. My videos are just for inspiration, and sharing these hacks and ideas is meant to trigger thoughts and ideas for keeping it how you want it to be. I have shared many ideas during these last couple of months, and you can pick and choose the ones you probably like or willing to take cues from to keep your home organized.
Hello everyone, this is Priyanka and once again welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share some ideas which will help you out in keeping your kitchen, bathroom and home clean, neat and organized. So without wasting any time, let's get into today's video.
I'm sure at some point you might have felt annoyed while trying to squeeze out the last bit of amount from tubes. Sometimes we think that it will take a lot of time, so we simply throw it away. But have you ever realized that at least 10 to 20% goes to the garbage without using these last ounces? You can put an end to waste by using these tube squeezers. It comes in a pack of two. This squeezer is designed with a rotate handle. Remove the rotator, just insert your toothpaste here and put the rotator back. You can also insert the tube directly into the rotating shaft like this and then fix it back. Now rotate the handle. No need for using extra strength anymore. Convenient and easy to squeeze cream. This is multifunctional and can be used on medicine tubes, ointments, cosmetics, and paint colors. It's one of the best practical tools for daily use and a great helper for your bathroom and saves your time when toothpaste runs out. Plants can really make any space look beautiful, whether you keep them inside or outside. When you keep the plants inside, especially big ones, it becomes very difficult to move from one place to another. And also, the area under the plants get dirty over time because it's too heavy and you can't move it easily. Now, try to use these cylinder trolleys as planters. You can either use plastic or stainless steel. Both will do the job perfectly fine. You can color it of your choice and then keep a dipping plate to collect the extra water from the plants. And once when you're done, just simply keep your big planter. Now in this way, it becomes easy to move from one place to another. It will be useful when you hold it and keep it on balcony for sunbathing. And also when you want to clean the area under the planter, just pull it, clean it and keep it back. Many of you have asked me a lot about how I keep my plants well at home. How do I take care of them? So I simply use this 8 petal, which is a complete kit for taking care of plants at home without making any extra efforts. It comes with the 2 packets of granulated biofertilizers and 4 bottles of Balaam. Now, first I'll talk about the granulated biofertilizers. Granulated biofertilizers provide the nutrients to the soil in a regenerative manner, which in turn give good fruits and flowers. So what you have to do is just add 2 tablespoons of it to the plants in every 20 days to see a great result. Now it also comes with a Balaam. You just have to add 10 ml of it in the bucket of 20 liters of water. Then water your plants as you regularly do. Balaam will enhance and stimulate the growth of plant at every stage. This is a perfect kit which comes in a very small pack and ready to use it anytime you want. Check the links below in the description box for the same. In summers, it should be a good idea to keep sink and area around it clean. Using the same type of scrubber that you use for cleaning the utensils is not that good. So to clean the sink, you can use this soap dispenser, where you can fill the liquid soap in it and add water. The soap dispenser has a curved brush which makes it very easy to clean around the corner of your sink. Just squeeze a little bit on the sink, use water and clean it around. You don't have to wear the gloves every time you clean the sink. Just keep it near the sink and use it to clean it any time of the day. Do you also feel afraid to use air fryers frequently? because when you use it, it becomes all sticky and cleaning is always a task to do. So there are two ways to avoid the messy trays, messy baskets and cleaning jobs later. The first way is to use these air fryer paper liners. You can find the link for them below in the description box. Just take one liner and place it on the bottom of the frying tray. Then keep whatever you're trying to fry. All the oil and crumbs will be on the paper. Now, here as you can see, the food is ready and see that the paper has collected all the extra oil and remainings from the food. And the frying plate and baskets are all cleaned. This results in less mess and it will also save time for cleaning them. You can also make your own air fryer paper liners with butter paper. Just cut a portion and fold it in half. Then make a cone like this. Now take the frying plate and measure the radius by keeping the butter sheet on it. Cut the extra paper from here, open it and your liners are all ready. Use it before you cook something to avoid mess. When we cook in the air fryer, the baskets get dirty, and when we procrastinate to clean it later, it only leads to more job for later not cleaning. These are clean as I usually make it a point to clean them as and when I use them. And I also use air fryer paper liners which creates less mess. If your baskets are dirty, just pour water to the extent that the plate is immersed and then add 1 tablespoon of dish soap. Now put the basket in the slot and set the timer for 2 minutes. The hot water and steel will loosen up the gunk and grime and this will make it easy to clean. Once when you're done, remove the basket from the slot, switch off the air fryer and remove the hot water from the basket. Let it cool down for a few minutes and then give it a nice scrub with soap and clean it with water. Wipe the water with a clean towel and voila, we are done. As it becomes very difficult to go all the way up to clean the bathroom tiles. So I'll show you an easy way to clean bathroom tile walls all the way to the top. You can use these flat floor mops and use these changeable mops which I have already shared one more time before in my previous videos. Keep one separate for this cleaning job only. Use a little bit of soap and water on the top of it. Leather will form and this will help you to easily clean the walls. Now scrub the bathroom walls, put some water and clean it all the way to the top and corners. Once when you're done, use water to clean it. Some easy and effective ways to do daily chores at home. Sometimes when we move our furniture, the marks that come on the tiles are very difficult to get rid of. It's not possible to clean it with normal scrubber and soap. If you come across such marks, just give it a try to clean with soap. But to clean it thoroughly, you can use WD-40 or magic eraser. First, I'm going to show you how to clean it with WD-40. Just spraying it over one half of the spot and then clean it with wet cloth. Now to clean the rest of the spot, I'm using wet magic eraser. Just rub it all over the spot. It will take away the mark and leaves you a clean floor. Two of the easy ways and both these products are very useful in the home. I know many of you might be peeling the cucumber the wrong way like me if you're using these peelers. Instead of peeling it in one direction, they are meant to be used back and forth like this for peeling. This is how these peelers are made to do the job. This way it saves time and these peelers come with one more very special feature of removing the spoiled portion from the potatoes, cucumber or any other vegetable. Just use this curved side of the peeler, insert it inside the spoiled patch and remove it. I'm using these daily now to remove it if potatoes are spoiled or for peeling them in general. If the wire under your study table are like this, then my friend, you need to know about some cool things and ideas to make this space clear from visible clutter. You can use the baskets with handle And from here you can take out the plugs for easy access. Use baskets to keep the wires. Just nicely roll them up and keep them in a basket. They will never end up in tangles. Instead of using zip ties, use reusable silicone ties to tie the wire for neat and organized look. Just roll the wire neatly and take the silicone ties. Lock through these holes, and the best thing about them is they can be used multiple times unlike the plastic zip ties. You can use these wire pins or nails to fix the wire neatly on the wall. And voila, you are done with less visual clutter and more organized space.
Before I end this video, I want to share a few more products which I've recently received from Mama Earth.
These are hair boosters in onion, tea tree, rice and almond. These hair boosters helps in reducing dandruff and soothes your itchy scalp. The best thing is all of them are completely non-sticky. Here I am using this tea tree hair oil and I am going to mix my tea tree hair booster with this tea tree hair oil. You just have to take little bit of oil and add 5 to 6 drop of this tea tree hair booster. Just rub it, mix it and then you can massage it on your scalp. Leave it overnight and then clean it with the regular shampoo. All Mamaearth's products are free from any harmful chemical and they're all natural. You can use my code which is Decor 2022 for extra 20% off at mamaearth.in. Mamaearth has launched their official app. Users get early access to their sales and get extra discount.
This is all for today's video and I really hope you are going to find all these ideas useful. If you like today's video, then you know the drill. Please do share this video with all your friends and family. Like the video and please do subscribe to my channel. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more video related updates. I'll see you next time with another video. Till then, stay home, take care and bye bye.